Hello, so this is our new MMB BMW model. So this is a new Android 10 system with the new MTK CPU. So in comparison with our previous models, this is an all-round hardware upgrade. It has a faster system and upgraded hardware. On one side, you'll see a TF card and SIM card slot. So what that means is if you open the slot, you can insert TF card and a SIM card here and close that again. On the other side of that, there's a Type-C port which you can connect to your BMW for power, and then it'll connect wirelessly to your system. And I'll show you that right now. So Type-C port connects to our cable with the Type-C side, and this side connects to your vehicle for power. And then after you wait for a few seconds, the system will show on your screen if you set it up before. If not, you simply have to go into apps, Apple CarPlay, and then look for the new connection here. After you've waited for the system to show, this is the main menu that you'll see. We followed the BMW theme, and you see the BMW colors as you scroll left and right. And as you can see, we have pre-installed many applications for you already. But if you do not see an application that you would like to use, you can simply log into your Gmail account and locate Google Play Store here, press into it, and you can download the application that you want to use. Moreover, if you go into the left, which is the main menu here, you'll see all of these new sections, which is a new feature on the MMB BMW model. So what that means is these are sections that you can move left and right, or even move across to the page. And these sections will relocate themselves as you move left and right. For example, this section here shows you the correct speed that you're driving, which is a very cool feature. If you want to change these sections, you can do that by holding home button here. And as you can see, there are new icons that popped up. Simply click the icon on each of the section that you would like to change and locate the one that you want to change to. And for example, I'm going to change to Waze. I have Waze already. I'll change to Google Maps. If you would like to, I change the speed to Google Maps section there. And as you can see, if you pay attention to the button here, that is the new add bar. So if you scroll left and right, the add bar does not move. And so what this helps you to do is you can put the applications that you usually use, that you use most of the time, and put it onto the bottom so it's ready to use as a shortcut. For example, I put the original car shortcut here. And what that does is if I click that, it'll go to the main menu of your iDrive system. And to go back to the MMB system, you simply click Apple CarPlay icon again, and you're back. Another thing that I like to use on the app bar, I've put settings on the right hand side here. So if I click settings, I can access the settings page very easily whenever I need to. So the app bar is useful for your shortcuts for the apps that you use a lot of the time every day. And if you pay attention to the button right here, just like an Android phone, if you click the icons here, it will scroll down the control center, much like an iPhone as well actually. So you see mobile data, Wi-Fi, so you can turn that on and off. Another feature, if you look here, is layout. What that means is you can change the layout of the main menu where the sections were. So for example, if you want one horizontal one, one vertical one, and 6 small ones, then you would choose layout 3. And then you see 1 vertical and 6 small sections have changed. Again, I'll change it to another layout. I'll change it to layout 1, whereas 2 vertical ones and 4 small sections. Again, 2 vertical ones and 4 small sections.